In today's dynamic markets, change is key to continued growth. This means you'll want to keep a close eye on your existing locations and see how to optimize them for increased revenue. High traffic volumes drive revenue, so it's important to know when customers are visiting. By analyzing traffic data, you can uncover when there's a large number of people near your store and adjust your operating hours accordingly. For deeper insights into customers' interests and behaviors, leverage the customer segmentation dashboard. Here, you'll find your brand's top customer segments and can see where these groups are located via heat maps. These detailed insights will allow you to create targeted marketing campaigns that draw in more customers. Armed with a better understanding of your customers' preferences, hop over to the SiteZeus sandbox to test which store upgrades would offer the highest ROI. Adjust one or more site attributes in the left-hand panel to see how the changes would positively or negatively affect each site's sales. With these tools, your portfolio will be in peak condition.